and gentlemen, where the local time is 4:34 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt signs turn off. Please keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Please take a moment, check your seatbelt pockets for any personal items like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, please be careful as items may have shifted mid-flight. You may now use your cell phone as we make our way to the gate. American Airlines and our One World partners, thank you for flying with us today. We hope to see you soon again on another American flight. Today we'll be